This is me, Ulukbek Nur Mohamedov, an ESL instructor at the Intensive English Institute at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. In our last tutorial, I introduced you to some of the basic and important features of this fascinating Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary. I just would like to remind you that I don't work for Cambridge, but I'm just fascinated by some of the dictionaries they've been producing in the past 10 years or so. So in the last tutorial, I introduced you to some of the basic and important features of this dictionary. So whenever you type a word here, let's say this word is comprise, so the dictionary will give you an American pronunciation,
comprise,
as well as the British pronunciation
comprise
of this word. Also, it gives you this definition, as well as some other examples. So, and when you look at the examples, so there are 3 examples, right? When you look at the examples, some of the words have already been highlighted for you. Let's look at the second word. The class is comprised mainly of Italian and French students. So, as we can guess that comprised and of, they do come together. So some of these important words have already been highlighted for you, and it has these verb endings as well as extra examples. So, and also it gives you useful tips. Like for example, in this word comprise, here we can see A in this circle, right? So it says advanced, a word to make your English sound advanced, right? So it's giving you a tip that this word is for advanced learners. And here, the next word, compromise, right? Here we can see I in the circle. So it stands for improver, a word to help you improve beyond basic English. So, and gives you these useful tips so that you can learn English or a word strategically, also effectively. In today's tutorial, I would like to introduce you to its other features such as exercises, pictures, and study pages. So let me start with exercises. So when you click here, the dictionary offers you some grammar, vocabulary, pictures, exam practice exercises. So in grammar exercise, you can see some of the grammar rules that you have to know. And in vocabulary, you can also see exercises. So let's say I want to do exercises on collocations. So I can see these sentences and I have to choose a proper collocation here, I guess, and I can actually check my answers here. So it is pretty user-friendly dictionary. Well, the next one is picture dictionary. If you have Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary, I don't think that you have to buy an extra picture dictionary. So you can see pretty much everything here visually. So if I want to, let's say, see alarm clock, looks like this, so it's in black and white. And next one, let's say animals. Oh, they're colored pictures. And when I click to lion, I can see lion, right? And also some of its parts, like mane here. Or how about elephant? So this is an elephant. How about this part? It's called trunk. How about this one? It's called tusk. So you'll be able to know more. You can get actually more detailed information by looking at some of the pictures. And again, right, some of the pictures are colored pictures, but the others are in black and white. And the next section is study pages. This is my favorite. There are some of the rules in English. I think we always have to look them up when we need them, because it's easy for us to forget some of them. And so, and I think this section will help us to actually remember some of the rules, right? So let's say modal verbs. I really need to revise the modal verb section. Either I have an exam or I'm making lots of mistakes when I use modal verbs in my sentences, let's say. So it's pretty much learner-friendly dictionary. As you can see, it's only 1 page, and you can see a lot of information here. Or the next one, so common mistakes, right? So it's right here. and the dictionary gives us some useful first-hand information about some of the common mistakes ESL learners make. So you can check it out. And also it has this general information within this section. So as you can see. And one of my favorites here is letter writing, right? So in letter writing, in this learner-friendly handout, you can see a business letter writing strategies as well as informal letter writing strategies. So I think it's pretty user-friendly, and you can just read it before you write any types of letters, let's say. So I hope the tutorial number 2 was also helpful for you. If you have any questions about this tutorial, you can actually post your questions on the YouTube, and I would be very happy to answer your questions. See you next time in our next tutorial sessions. Bye.